Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Probable with Team William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer for this presentation is whatever stocks we discuss are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. It's very important to understand Nifty's price action and also volume action to get an overview of how the market is placed at the current moment and what to do in the market. Nifty has been in a trend. You can see starting from November, December, it has been down. It has nearly 2,000 from there. Recently, there has been some buying happening in the market, and Nifty reclaimed its 200 DMA as well, which is a black line here. And in the last 10 trading sessions, Nifty has closed in the 9 consecutive sessions, except for yesterday, which Nifty closed in the negative territory. However, volume has been very low the last 10 trading sessions. So only a couple of trading sessions we have seen above average volume. When the Nifty is going up, we would also want volume support as well. That indicates a good amount of buying happening, especially from institutional investors. But that is not the case in the recent upward rally. Coming to the yesterday's trading session, it was a very tricky trading session. Mostly heavyweight stocks such as Infosys, TCS were under pressure. Talking about IT stocks, in more Infosys has not reported not so good results. It has reported results bad according to the street analysts. That is why the stock was down nearly 10% in the yesterday's trading session. Its peers, TCS and other Wipro and other IT stocks have also been under pressure because the weakness has been felt by all the other companies as well. That is the reason Nifty yesterday has opened on a negative territory, and at one point it touched its 200 DMA as well. But in the last, on the closing basis, it found support at its 200 DMA, and it closed. It paid some of its losses. However, it closed in the negative territory. And 100 DMA is acting as a resistance, which is the pink line here. And if this level is reclaimed, then there won't be any major resistance going forward for the Nifty index. For the Nifty to rally from here, we would like to see this reclaim of 100 DMA as well. Coming to market status, according to O'Neill Lens, we are in rally attempt, and we have been waiting for a follow through day. That is Nifty advancing 1.5% or more on volume higher than the previous session. If that occurs, we will change the market status to confirmed uptrend, and we will be more exposed to the markets, and our additions will also be more daring when compared to currently. We are slightly cautious while adding stocks. That is because the market is not strong enough to add stocks. Some of the companies which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session, and IT results have started, and most of the other companies will also be coming up with their results for the March quarter. So mostly stocks movement will be driven by their respective earnings. Angel One, which is a leading broker in India, has reported with their March quarter earnings. Consolidated revenue has increased 21% to 825 crores. Profit increased more than 30% year-on-year basis to 267 crores. And EBITDA margin has expanded 310 bps to 46.6%. Hathway Cable came up with their results as well. Revenue was slightly more on a flat basis. It increased just 2.4% year-on-year basis to 460 crores. However, the company has reported a loss of nearly 15 crores against a profit of 28 crores in the corresponding quarter last year. Coca-Cola India has acquired 50% stake in Hashtag Loyalty, which is an associate company of Jubilant Foods. for an a value of 104 crore rupees. After this stake, Jubilant, after this transfer of stake, Jubilant stake in hashtag will reduce to 29.7% from the current 35%. Avalon Technologies will debut on exchanges today. The issue price has been fixed at 436 rupees. Talking about institutional activity today, yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers. They have sold nearly 533 crores of Indian equities. On the other hand, domestic institutional investors tried to give support to the market by buying 270 crores of Indian equities. Today, ICICI Lombard, CRISIL, and few other companies will be reporting their results, and these all stocks will definitely be under radar. If you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful for these volatile movements in these stocks. Overnight, US market closed in the positive territory. Three major indices, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq closed almost 0.3% higher. Asian markets are trading mixed, Kospi 0.2% lower, Shanghai 0.1% lower, whereas Nikkei is trading 0.6% higher as we speak. SGX Nifty is indicating a muted opening. We are expecting the opening around 17,700 level, and we will also might see a resistance at 100 EMA. The leaders such as Infosys, TCS, Reliance, HDFC Bank have good buying. Definitely that 100 EMA will be reclaimed, and we can expect further upward movement from there. Until then, that 100 EMA is a very crucial level for the Nifty. Coming to the stock of the day, we have picked ITC, which is a leading conglomerate in India, especially concentrated towards tobacco industry. Apart from this, the companies in lots of industries as well. As you know, FMCG is other major industry for the company. Currently, the company, the stock is trading in the ideal buy zone from its stage 2B flat base. However, volume has been lower in the trading session. If the volume is on the higher side, we might consider, and if the Nifty also stays in the positive territory, we might consider this stock for addition. There is no point talking about the fundamental character of this stock is there is no question about it. The stock, even though it's a very large cap stock, the company is able to generate a good growth in terms of EPS and sales. That shows the operational capability and excellence of the management here. And technically also the stock has been doing very good. Price strength of 83 and a accumulation distribution rating of A minus indicates a very strong technical ratings. If the stock gives a good buy point, definitely this is a very good contender for addition. If you are looking for a stop loss, you can keep it's a 50 DMA as a stop loss going forward. Thanks for joining